Gracie Gant and I'm part of the class of 2024. I'm in the band, concert band, marching band, varsity winter guard, VIP winter guard, the bowling team, NHS, I'm an academy ambassador, and I'm Ozzie. I think my favorite memory is from this year, and it's being Ozzie at the elementary schools and the middle school. Just seeing all those kids freak out, it's awesome. I love it. I think I'm going to miss the relationships I've made the most and the band community because it's just one big family. I would advise younger students to try new things and step out of their comfort zone because you never know how it'll end up being or if you'll have an impact on someone's life. I plan to go to OTC and pursue a career as a paramedic.